Hi, it's Mitz. I'm here to do the unboxing for April's stationery selection box. So with April's box, there was a little bit of a delay due to some software programming issues with the shipping, but most of the boxes, I think all of the boxes left out by April 16th, I believe it was, or 17th. And so here is the information sheet listing all of the items. Very, very, very excited because we've collaborated with Cute Things from Japan. Many of you know Ayako and Junko's store, the lovely, lovely stationery store in Tokyo. And we were very fortunate and honored to collaborate with them. And I will explain that to you a little bit later, but very, very exciting. So I'm just going to pull things from the box and share with you. As always, Skylar, one of the design team members, has already, she's posted an unboxing and she's unraveled everything and tested things out. So if you're interested in that, you can check out her video as well. I will leave a link down below. I'm just going to grab items from the box. The first thing are these aluminum clips. Sorry. Some of you may have the 3 different types. Some may have 2 of the same types. But there's 3 aluminum clips in total. These are very useful for just keeping your journals open or your diaries open when you are writing. You can also use these clips for other purposes, like closing your chips bags or something like that. But very lightweight and very useful. So there's 3 clips in there. Next is the Sunny Sunday washi tape. And it looks like that. I chose this design to match the postcards that were included. Skylar opens this up so you can check out her channel as well. I chose that for the postcards. These are so pretty. I really like Nishishuku. Let me show you quickly the designs. They're so pretty. And I love the fact that there's several designs in this one pack. And you get 2 of each design, so very useful. You don't have to use them as postcards, of course. You can just stick them in your journal and journal on the back side. There's enough space on the back side as well, because these they're just so pretty. The previous boxes that had the postcards, I've sent most of them out already. I've used them up, so very, very happy with Nishishuku. This one here is a notepad or a paper pad, and the artist is Midori Asano, and I thought it was so pretty as well. I love this like hand-drawn type of vibe going on. And I saw somebody post on the stationery selection, I think somebody used the stationery selection hashtag, you can check it out, and they've actually cut this whole piece out and they stuck it in their journal. It was so neat. So you can definitely do that as well. Once again, I love Japanese note paper pads and things because there's several designs in one paper pad. It's not just the same design throughout the whole thing. So there's your mugs and for tea, people who like to drink tea and coffee. So there's that. This next one is a marker. It's called Click Art, and my husband actually is the one that told me about it. He found that these ones are a new release from Zebra. And they claim that they retain the moisture in the markers so that it doesn't dry up. And I love the fact that it's click. A lot of the markers with my kids, my young kids, they always lose their marker tips, always. Or they're on, the tips are on, the wrong marker, like the color. So I really like this click style, and I just noticed that it actually marks it red once you've pushed it down. That's a really nice touch. Now it's black. So there were several different types of browns and khaki types of colors. Because these were brand new, just released, it was really hard to obtain just one color. So I requested for several different types of browns, and so you may not get this exact color. If you're interested, let me just quickly swatch this. So this one is a really nice dusty brown khaki type of color. I think the official one is called Cocoa Brown right here, number 36. But yeah, these are newly released. The next one here is a pen. It actually looks like a pencil, but it's a ballpoint pen, and it's from Delphonics, and I love the wide body of it. It's easy to hold. And this similarly, this one will have, there will be various different colors, yellow, black, red, green, brown, I think it was. Blue was there as well. Actually, I don't think there was a brown, but yes, there will be various different colors. So you might not get the exact same one. And this one was thanks to Cute Things from Japan. We will be having more collaborations in the future, so I'm very, very excited, and I'm so thankful to Ayako and her sister Junko that run the shop. This is the Bandai washi, I don't know what you would call it. It's like a washi sticker. Let me quickly open it. I know Skylar's opened it on her channel, and she's actually shown you the actual stickers. It's a washi tape, but you can peel each piece off and use it as a sticker. And I chose these designs. They're very traditional Japanese style. I felt like the color matched this really nicely too. And as you can see, if I can get this open, I used the other, I've used Bandai in the past, and I still continue to use it in my Hobonichi Techo, but there's a little clear piece of plastic here you just have to peel off, and it should start you off with the first sticker right here, and hopefully I can focus that. But yeah, they're all kind of connected, and of course you can use it as is like this and just kind of roll them out. But if you'd like to, you can actually peel each sticker off and use it separately like that. So they're all different designs. There's various different designs, and 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 different designs. That's a lot. But yeah, they're like a traditional, oh, these ones are different size. This one is a different size too. So there's different sizes too, which is nice. There. So I am very excited to introduce the collaboration with Cute Things from Japan. There will be more in the future. There's actually one coming up really soon. So I'm very, very excited to have that start with Ayako and Junko. So there's the Bandai. And then last, oh, I forgot to mention, this is their card. Please feel free to follow them on their Instagram. This is the new Instagram handle there. Cute Things from Japan _official. And then lastly is this mail dater stamp. I will show you my opened one. So this is the date stamp, and the ink comes in here. You just have to pop it out and then slide it in to this slot with the ink pad facing down. Because this is a self-inking stamp, you just have to make sure the ink pad touches the rubber part. And also, if you want to change the date, of course you can just keep it, pushed down, and then let's change it. Today is April 25th. So, of course, you can just hold on to it, pushed downwards, and turn it that way. Or if you don't want to do that, you can use these two red dots on the side. You can push down. Actually, I'm going to show you here. If you kind of let go a bit and hold on to these two buttons on the side, I don't know, about several millimeters down, it kind of clicks into place, and then you don't have to hold it downwards while you adjust the date. I hope that makes sense. And then if you want to release the hold, you just push it back. So once again, you hold on to the red buttons. Right now, I'm holding onto the red buttons, but I'm not feeling anything. Like it's just resisting. But once you push this down, you'll feel the red dots go inwards, and then that's in locked position, and then you can, you know, switch the days like that. And then you want to release it, just push it again and you're good to go. So it is a self-inker, which is really, really nice. You don't have to worry about, you know, having an ink pad close by with your stamps. I thought this would be good for, of course, your journals and things, but if you want to send out postcards, I think it's always a nice touch to include the date that you sent them out. But yeah, so that is the unboxing for April. Just a couple of admin things before I let you go. We have a very long holiday right now. It's called Golden Week holiday, and it's a 10-day holiday. This year is very long, and my daycare is closed for those 10 days. So unfortunately, my kids will be here with me all day, and that means that I won't be able to, my work, I guess my work schedule will be in and out. It'll be intermittent, and I will try my best to answer your emails, but please understand that I will most likely be answering them late at night, or I won't be able to answer right away. And because of the holiday, the post office is also closed. I usually try my best to start shipping them out in the early month, but they resume, I think, on the 7th or 8th. I think it's the 7th. They should be out by mid-May. Just giving you the heads up. I don't know, these past several months have been so many delays with the shipping, and I'm just really trying my best to get on track. But I hope you understand, and I really appreciate you for sticking by. I appreciate you for all the support. Don't forget to use the hashtag #thestationeryselection, and you can check out other people and how they have used their stationery goods. So yes, that was the unboxing for April. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please email. Try not to DM, because it is really difficult to keep track of the DMs with, like, it's hard to cross-reference the DMs with the actual customers' names. So I would prefer the email, and I will put the email address here as well as in the description down below. And I will see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.